Hey guys, today is soft shell crab tempura with a nice curry sauce. So easy. Ingredients here. Let's go. So we start with the tempura, 2 eggs, whisk, and we will slowly add the sparkling water. When you have the nice foam like this, you will add the flour step by step and you continue whisking. When you have the nice tempura paste, you place in the fridge. And next is the sauce, the mayonnaise base, so 2 egg yolk, spoon of mustard, and you will whisk it while adding slowly the oil. Ketchup, curry, whisk again, Tabasco drops, whisk and fridge. That's all. Now it's time for the soft shell crabs, so we will clean it. It's very easy, few steps. You remove eyes and mouth, slicing like this. And then on the side you have the gills, you need to remove as well on each side. Clack, clack, yeah. Okay, they are soft because when they lose the hard shells, they need to grow. And that's why we eat like this. And you will slice thin pieces like this, easy to eat. Alright, now it's time to cook it. 175 degrees Celsius. You dip in the tempura mix and directly in the oil. And when you have a nice golden brown color like this, it's time to remove and to plate. Oh, that's so good. Bye.